Hope you can hear me. I've got my wireless mic on today. We're trying it in this camera for the very first time. Today is the day. We are making a start on the garage. Where, I hear you say. To the right of me, or probably to the left on your screen, we have 30 tonne of chalk. We have a few sheets of reinforcing. And we have an empty garage. So today I'm going to, it's getting on a bit in the afternoon at the minute, so I'm going to, just for today, start digging out this trench so that we can run the electric and the water into the garage. And then I'm just going to move the reinforcing out of the way, because if Dad comes, I don't want him to come flying in the drive and drive over the reinforcing, because it'll make a mess of his car. So we're going to get the digger fired up. I've already been doing a bit of work on the digger today, so but we'll have a bit of a go over here. I'm not sure how deep to go, but we'll just crack on and see what we get up to. So there we have the trench. It's all nicely dug out on this side. We've got some other projects to do tomorrow, what I'm going to be using the digger for. down by the house, so I won't be showing you that on this channel anyway. But once we've got that done down by the house, we're going to get back into the garage. Now, we've already dug the floor out in the garage. We've got to scoop some of the loose out and just get Tina to dig some of the loose out from around the sides so I can oik it out and we can get rid of it, because you can't really compact dirt. Once we've got all that out, then I can, well, I'll probably dig the trench first. I'll just measure from the corner of the wall here, so I can dig the same trench on the inside and then go to where we want the water and the power to come up out of the floor. And once we've got all that in, and the water pipe in and the electric cable in, we're only just going to run it out to the side of here, because I've got to dig a trench up to the gate and then all the way down to the house. But that can be done afterwards, because we really just want to get this floor concrete in the garage. So I'll get the digger in the garage and dig that trench out, and we can get on with that. But that'll be in part 2. But I'm just doing this little video just to let you know that we've not forgotten about you, and it's not another one of these channels where we start these projects and don't finish a bloody thing. It just, some things just take a long time. With circumstances and bits and pieces, but we are getting there. We're getting this garage sorted out. I don't know if you can see over there. Let me show you over there. $30 ton of chalk. Hopefully we won't use all that, because we want to use some of it for the greenhouse, and then we're going to be putting in paths all around the place. Compact it down with a whacker plate, and hopefully that'll be all right. If it's not going to hold up as a path whacked down, we can put a thin screed of concrete over the top, just for paths and stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a bit of a quick update one for you, let you know that I hope this microphone's working all right, because normally the action cam picks up shitloads of noise. But yeah, anyway, this is just a bit of an update video, let you know that we've not forgotten about the garage. It's getting there. Progress is being made at last. So once we get the pipe work and the cables into the floor, and I filled that trench back in, Dad's going to come over and he's going to help us with his theodolite, get the levels right. We can get this calcare in there. We can then get the whacker plate out. I'll do a video on the whacker plate, because we've not seen that on this channel yet. So we need this, but it's brand new. It's never had oil in it, so we've got to put oil in it, get it up and running. We can get that whackered and then get some concrete ordered. So keep your eyes out for that. The garage is on its way. So hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up. That all helps. It pushes our videos up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and the Hobbit over there planting cabbages and broccoli. It's bye for now.